Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Supermetrics in HubSpot CRM. So let's get started. Let's get into it. First, all you need to go is to go on your HubSpot CRM, and you will see the option on setting over here. Simply click on that one and it will get you another page. On the left corner you will see different options. Simply click on integrations, click on connected apps, and now you can visit the app market workspace. You can see the search bar. Now you can search Supermetrics, and there we go. Let me see here. And there we go. You will see the option of Supermetric, and you can move your all HubSpot data into spreadsheets and database and dashboards. Now you can simply overview that platform. You will see the option, the different tutorial video how it's going to be work for that, and it's all overview. So let me just simply install the app. You can simply click on that one, and there we go, the official page of Supermetric. How start move your data into different reporting tools, create a multi-portal reports easily in a single view. Start your 14 days free trial to see what you can do with the connector. Now you can go with a free trial. You can log in with that platform, and once you log in you will be able to move your spreadsheet and dashboard to the different Supermetrics CRM, and you can move your data from HubSpot CRM to the different spreadsheet in Supermetrics. This is how you can use with that platform to integrate Supermetrics to HubSpot CRM. And if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you.